chick bad, my chick good. My chick do stuff that your chick wish she could. My chick bad, and my chick good. My chick do stuff that your chick wish she could. My chick bad, better than yours. My chick bad, better than yours. My chick bad, better than yours. My chick bad, better than yours.
Now all these bitches wanna try and be my bestie, but I...
You guys are literally getting alive. Walking around my cabin, because I haven't looked around it yet. They leave your suitcase outside your door. By the time you get to your room, your keys in the, like the wall. I've got my wardrobe. That's quite nice. What is like almost like a walk-in closet. Safe. And look how many shelves I've got. Okay. I've got a robe. I've got 2 robes. Okay. Okay, piano. Okay. Piano cruise. So I've got 2 robes. Got an umbrella. I mean, that's always needed, so. Yup. Life jackets. Love that. And then here, I'm assuming this is the bathroom. Oh, I've got a bath, toilet, sink, soap. Okay, some cups, towels, more towels. Stand back here. And there is a step when you walk in. So on the door it does say like, mind your step. Okay, so a little reminder, just to let you know not to put wipes, tissues, cotton wool down the toilet. Oh, that's good. And I've also got a, is it anti-slip? Anyway, so like I said, mind your step on the way out. Close that. Oh, and there's hooks on the door. That's quite good. That's a nice size bathroom for a cruise ship. And then I've got like a little hallway. Got a plant here, so I've got a little mirror. My bed. Look at this. Okay. Oh my gosh, another mirror. So this is the Queen suite. And then they've given us some slippers. So I've got chocolates. Oh my gosh, they gave me a bottle of champagne. Wow, that's so cute. Oh. Okay, and then I've got a desk area. Quite nice little leather chair. Lamp, telephone. Quite nice, another lamp. And then this is like the living room area. So I've got a TV like in the bedroom, just over here. So TV, kettle, got a book, Collins World Atlas, got some champagne glasses, and it's like more storage, little opener, just down here. Bin, chair, and then I've got my own balcony. Oh my gosh! So I'm still at Southampton. Just gonna put on some gloss. Heat by Fenty. And this is today's look. Okay, this is the outfit. Had a little malfunction. I'm just a girl. Hello.
I was gonna put on that. You look pretty.
This is a casual fit, right? And it's given. Like, these earrings, you're gonna see throughout the whole trip. I'm sorry. It is what it is. I don't know how long my mom's gonna be. She made it seem like she's gonna be 2 minutes, but it's been about 10. If you know my mom, timing. I blame it on my mama. I look good. Update. This is like my clothes area. I've hung everything up. Bring a cardigan. Bring something warm, because although the weather's gonna be great, always have something warm. I purchased this in M&S earlier. I thought it was so cute. I don't have a beach bag, so I was like, let me get one of them. And then I also purchased this bag. Dun dun dun! I've put my stuff. So like bottom shelf, I've got pajamas and gym wear. And then that shelf there, you can see I've got my stuff in bags. And that's like my really nice going out stuff. Here is my shorts, skirts. Why is it not focusing? Why is it focusing somewhere else? Anyway, shorts, skirts, plain tees. Got bardos and a cord, bra, and some plain tees, and my chargers. And then up here I've got a bit of my hair stuff. I wiped all of the shelves down with this antibacterial wipes. And I've got my hat. Got my summer hat. It's like folded. And then I've just got my bag that I've been carrying around since yesterday. And then updated bathroom tour. I've put all of my cosmetic products, toothpaste, hair products. So these are the 2 hair products I'm going to be using while I'm here. And then from Dermalogica, I've got this calming gel. And then I brought a bit of my cleanser. So yeah, recently started using that. So hopefully my skin improves because I've been getting really dry skin here. My T-zone gets really oily. So hopefully we figure that out. I can't lie, this is the first and last time I'll ever get my hair done a week before I go away, because I feel like my curls aren't like popping, and probably I need to go on TikTok and just look at some techniques of how to like revive the curls, but I can't lie, I feel like they've just passed their best. I've got some mousse, I put a bit of mousse in it. As long as my scalp's not dry, I can't complain. But when I say the colours, Leah chose these colours. She was like, this is gonna suit you. And with me, as a dark skinned babe, I was like, I don't really know about blonde and all of this on my, like, against my skin complexion. But I saw a lot of dark skinned girls have this, and I was like, I like it. I feel like it's one of those styles that suit anyone. It's one of those colours that go with every skin complexion. Drop a comment below, let me know what you think. Fun fact, this dress, I've had this dress since I think the second time I went to Jamaica. I went to Jamaica for one of my cousin's auntie's weddings. And I want to say this was like, I don't know, 10 years ago. I literally want to say it was about 10 years ago. And it's from Topshop. Topshop when quality of clothing was 10/10. And it still looks good. So it's a size 12. So I'm not a size 12, I'm a size 16. But it stretches and it looks good. So that's what we're wearing today. And it's like midi length. Like, oh, and then I got my Primark shoes. I feel like I look like such a babe. Like, my mom called me earlier, or when I went to her room anyway. She was like, oh, by the way, do you know you've got a fridge in your room? I didn't know I had a fridge in my room. So I put my fruit pot in there. And I think my camera died. As soon as I worked out how to open my balcony, it's literally, so it's like that, right? And we're deep in the ocean. Oh my gosh. Okay, cool. So here, and then you just pull it. Why is it not opening? Oh, don't show me off on camera. Come on, let's not do that. I'm gonna hold on to this camera tight as I can. I don't know if I'm brave enough to do like big Caribbean cruise. Actually, right there, I can see a ship in the distance. Now that my hands are washed, we'll go in and eat. Okay, now it's dinner time. Let's go see what they have. They still have the fruit from earlier. Oh, these are different. It's like some oat bars. What is it? Strawberry and Greek yogurt. Cheese lovers. The bread station. In biryani and dal. This is vegan. I'm gonna try that.
How do you feel on your floating hotel?
Off balance. So guys, we're in the liquor store, right? And the prices are amazing. Look, they've got Bottega Pistachio. I've never heard of that. And look how cheap 1 litre Deserano is. 2 for £40 or 4 for £65. Where have you ever seen this? Because I've never seen this in my life. For that size, that's insane. And I got enough drinks. Grey Goose, Absolute Vodka, got gin, whiskey. And then they've got the fine liqueur.
Ooh, what's this one?
What one? Oh, look, they've got Remy Martin. Yeah, I remember. This is my grandma's favourite. £240. Some cigars for those who smoke. Tobacco. They've got some more Remy Martin. I've only seen 9 West in TK Maxx. They've got kids' clothes. They've got everything tax-free. One day I'm gonna wake up early and then show you guys what there is because there's too much. They've got alcohol here in the glass cabinets. They're showing like 4 for £50. Like, I'm sorry, where are you finding that? Because you won't find that anywhere. I've got price list here. They've got Radley, London. They've got loads of different shops. Oh, you can even get costume jewelry. That means can you make your own jewelry? Are you telling me? Like, oh, that's so good. Oh, that's so good. It's literally like £1. I don't know how long it is for that price. But you probably can get a nice little anklet. Then they've got Radley in there. They've got loads of, Sarah Miller. They've got loads of different brands. They've got glasses brand. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, these are pretty. This one's nice. That is an anklet. I'm gonna get one of those. Little toy store. I got my godson something. 2 for £12. Oh, what's this? I know kids love stuff like this. What's this Pokemon? Why do I feel like my godson would love this? He's even learning Japanese. I don't know what Pokemon is. I don't know if it's Japanese, Korean. I have no idea. And then they've got the chocolates. See, this is like your normal duty free. So I feel like you see this all the time. You see this all the time in airports. What else? You've got souvenirs over here. Oh, mermaid, ventura. Might have to get one of these as a souvenir. They got some books, 2 for £10. Mix and match. Wet or dry bag. Oh, they've got some locks. So if you forget your lock, ultra bag. That's good if you're like, you buy stuff and you're like, oh, I have nowhere to put it. That is so much. They got little pilots. 18 quid. That's quite good. These rhyme with like the Harrods bear. The usual essential items. So that's good. And they're not too expensive. Like they're pretty decent price. Sunscreen. A bit of Ted Baker. These are cute. Can't go wrong with a little. I think that extends as well. That's a nice little clutch bag. This is so great. Do you know what? When I was younger, I always wanted the pencil case that they did, and I never got one. Oh, this is cute, and this is Ted Baker. And like I said, things are not expensive, which is so good. They've got oh, there's not much though. So they've got some Gucci glasses. They got Ray-Bans. Ray-Bans are quite good. Cure de Lion. I don't know if this is made in Germany. I don't know if this is actually plated. I have no idea. How pretty is this? It goes all the way down.
I will measure exact how many inches it is. So let me measure it. It's going to be right here.
Okay.
So it's going to be 7 inches.
Okay.
So 7 inches, and then we measure, we put clasp on it, and then it's your measurement exactly for you.
Okay.
So it's priced by the inch.
Okay, so this is by the inch.
Yeah, priced by the inch.
So it's really
So it
reasonable.
That
depends.
is good.
And it's 18.
18 karat gold laid around non-allergic metal base. So it's fashion jewelry, as I said. Lifetime guarantee on them.
Got a pink gin spray.
It could. My chick do stuff that your chick wish she could. My chick, hey, had it, did dirty. My chick, hey, had it, did dirty.